Well, guys, it's been a while. I'm bored. I've been waiting for Tonga's survey to come through and give me some news, and but still, I'm on a waiting game. But the board have got me at home cooking. My son is at work, so figured I'd make us a snack. I went and got some Kraft's macaroni and cheese that I'm gonna make for us, and went and got a pack of chicken breasts. So I sliced them into slices and do some onions in there, some chicken bouillon. Where is that at? Do some black pepper and some chicken bouillon, a little garlic powder. Just fry them up a little bit, grill them, and make some mac for lunch. Um, like I said, it's a waiting game. I'm just playing the waiting game with them and saving up and working on. I'll be getting the homes as soon as I get the survey done. I could go and break ground. But until then, I'm on standby. And it's good. I'm at home. My wife, spending time with them, and missed a few births as well as birthdays while I was in Tonga and in Salt Lake. So just bored. Don't know what to do with myself. I got some trips planned. And I'll show that. I haven't been doing much lately on YouTube. Doesn't seem like, unless it has something to do with Tonga or me eating Tongan food or something related to Tonga itself, that my views started going down and people haven't been watching. So forget the pity party. I'm just, all I'm waiting for is Tonga to give me some notice. I have, like I said, an uncle in Tonga that is checking up on Cecilia in the Ministry of Land and Survey. Just waiting for her to give him an update and or let me know if it went to the cabinet or not, and back to the Ministry of Land and Survey, and are they ready to send a surveyor out to get my property marked off so I could go back to Tonga and clear the land and get it prepped, and then I could order the homes and the next process of this retirement journey. I thought it would go a little quicker than it has. It's just, it is what it is. And I just gotta, even in America, I gotta get used to Tongan time is Tongan time, no matter where you're at. If you're dealing with it, you're dealing with it. And that's part of the, allure of being in the islands. The weather predicts the day, your mood predicts the day. So, you just go with it. Waiting for this water to come to a boil for the mac so I could throw the noodles in and go from there. But, if you could, if there was aroma vision, this smells so good with the garlic, the onions, the chicken bouillon, black pepper mix. Oh man, it's smelling delicious. All right, my mac is coming to a boil. Let those cook up. Throw the noodles in. Recycle. In America, we recycle those cardboards. So Bring that up to a boil. So I appreciate everybody who's still viewing and tuning in and still subscribing. Still replying to comments and likes. Appreciate you guys still watching. I can't wait to get back to the islands. There's other projects that came about because I started this with other cousins in Western Samoa and Micronesia. We were offered properties through family members and to, wash, repeat, and do the same thing in Tonga, then Samoa, then Micronesia. Uh, but my first goal and my first, love was to start off in Tonga. So if I don't start there, I don't know where I would start. Um, I went a month and a half getting a foreign investment going, getting the lease on for 40 years from Tui Wakano, where I wanted it by the mangroves, where it's private but out by the lagoon. Everything I wanted is come along well, um, and I believe a lot of that had to do with me directly being in Tonga and doing the legwork and being there in the offices, asking the questions, finding out all the correct answers and applying them. I miss a lot of people in the island. Miss Talamahu Market, my friends there, um, Linda and Anna, the whole entourage of ladies there. Miss them all. I love being in the islands. Um, I almost feels like I get homesick, but I need to produce my own home when I go there instead of imposing on family members, relying on that situation. So um, I'm looking forward to my next trip to Tonga. Looking forward to meeting up with good friends again and family members, and hopefully everything moves along and goes well. I'm thankful for all the blessings that came about. Thankful for the little bit of money that I've been generating through monetization through YouTube and the partnership. Um, those things have, we're not going to get rich off of it, but hey, it's an incentive. I really been feeling like, what can I produce out here? I've been on my bike rides. I've done different things, dog walks, and it's like, not very much stuff here in the States for me has been, getting many views. Um, there's not much more I could do to push forward, um, getting the movement going for the retirement plan. Like I said, I wish it was going quicker. We're working on and saving up the money for it, and I'm looking forward to breaking ground and then ordering the homes and getting everything going. But one step at a time, and that one step is getting notification from the Ministry of Land and Survey that they've marked my property and I can go out there and break ground. So um, again, I'm bored, so I'm cooking for my son and myself, just watching TV, keeping up on TV shows and helping out with my family here and doing a bunch of, you know, fatherly and grandfatherly things that are off camera. Um, I, I, I know we got some more events coming up, and I hope you're looking forward to watching them. I'm going to do a short clip and add to this later. Once my little meal is done, I'll take a little video footage of it and add to it. But thank you for watching. I appreciate those viewers that are subscribing and watching on a regular and watching the commercials to help me out with the revenue. And have a great day and have a great week. And just take life one day at a time and love your family and friends. Again, thank you.
So I'm going to take the macaroni, chop up this chicken into cubes, and throw it in the mac, and that's what's going to be for our lunch. That's what I was cooking earlier when I was talking about the video. So I'm sorry about the echo on the video. I don't know what I was using a microphone, and I don't know what's up with the microphone, but the whole video echoed. But I didn't want to do a second take and go over it, so it is what it is. I'll add this to the video so you can see, and I'll show you the outcome plate that I'm gonna serve to my son. All right, thank you for watching. Again, mix those two and make lunch. So this is what my creation came out to. Chunks of chicken breast marinated in creamy macaroni. Man, it looks delicious to me. Well, thank